She's in an adventure in her Baggersville. You guys ever go in a lady's bag? It's an adventure in itself.
What you doing in there? That's the question.
Adventure in itself.
As they were about to leave, their mom shouted, "Have fun! If you don't use your words correctly, you will not be let in and you will have to come back home."
When Miss Kitty was naming out all the things that I do, I'm like, wow, that is good.
Hey, you know, one of the things that I realize, people beg differently these days, you know. When I was younger, people just beg you for something. Now them have specific figures.
If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Ben, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
Drove out at 4:42 and we're in Kingston at 5:42.
Let's go for the highway. If it was for the highway, we'd have been in Mount Clarendon now.
No, we know it's not Clarendon. Too bad, man.
Yeah, we'd have done Mount Clarendon.
But cufflinks, it is early in the morning.
The girls are with us.
You are asleep too, so you are not seeing this video right now. But we are up before the sun has risen, so that we can be at sun is risen. Media tour, arteries, horse race. Guys, it's not horse race, we know that. Just joking, okay? So one thing to note, guys, is that yes, we're in Kingston. Yes, we made it in time for the 6 o'clock. Most importantly, that right there, we still have gas. We drove out with quarter tank. We were a bit concerned, but I was saying because it's so cool and no traffic. You did well, Bon, you did well. Yes, mama. Time for you to go back to sleep.
5:44.
She's in an adventure in her Baggersville. You guys ever go in a lady's bag? It's an adventure in itself.
What you doing in there? That's the question.
Adventure in itself. Good morning.
Then we're doing a bedtime story theme.
Okay.
And you have a blanket. Blessed Savior, Lord God. You know how hard it was for me to try and find a blanket this morning, because by the time I got to Keisha, and I was like, all right, Munch kids are coming. She's like, we need a blanket. But Celia left the house already. So, good morning. The idea that we have.
I wonder if you work today now.
How are you? Hi, Boogie.
Congrats!
Thank you.
Ornaments! Ready?
Ready?
Did you try this again?
Thank you.
I'm silent.
You've been forgetting how often. Thanks.
Thank you.
Run for behind it, DJ.
So they're gonna have you on the couch with your
Yeah, push your camera around.
Morning, morning, morning.
As they were about to leave, their mom shouted, "Have fun! If you don't use your words correctly, you will not be let in and you will have to come back home. But if you do, a beautiful playground awaits you." The girls were excited and they started their journey just before midday. As they skipped and laughed on their way to Mannershill Valley, all they could think of was the adventure that awaited them, as long as they remembered how to use the words, the phrases, please, thank you, and excuse me the right way. After a few minutes, guess what? They were there. Mannershill Valley had a huge sign made out of flowers which said, "If you use please, thank you, and excuse me the right way, you will be allowed to enter and play all day."
Family. Hi guys, good morning. I like Mannershill. How are you? Mama. Hi. Hi guys. Oh, I love that.
Thank you.
And we're talking about old school this morning.
Yes.
And one of the things that is traditional for old school is manners.
Yes.
You have to have manners. Because manners carry you through the world.
Yeah, that is it.
You could have bright like a stadium bulb if you don't have no manners.
You're not
You're not going away in life, right?
That is
So I
true.
do think this is so appropriate. And I want to say congratulations to you. And these are the cuffs.
Yes.
The cuffs, right? Yes. Mr.
Very
and Mrs.
special. Good morning, young ladies.
Yes. It's what Brie
She just
and
wake up
Bella.
Brie and Bella, yes. Hi, Brie. Don't worry about it. Auntie
Bella's
Christy got
not
you. Bella's like, you know what? I'm trying to go to Mannershill. And if y'all keep waking me up this early, I'm going to get out of Mannershill. Right? But thank you so much for being here. Basilia,
you.
congratulations
Thank
on this
you.
very wonderful achievement.
Thank you so
It is
much.
such a big deal.
It is.
And, you know, I love family, right? When I see a family like yours, you know what I mean? Giving your girls that security, that love, it's an example of what is good about Jamaica, you know?
Yeah.
One of the aspects. So talk to us about the adventures in Mannershill and brought up and how that came about.
Listen, when I was growing up, having manners, it wasn't an option. It was something that was ingrained in us.
Hold on a second. Basilia, just say that again. It was not an option.
It wasn't, oh, do you want to use your manners? It was, you better
have manners.
use your manners. You better have manners.
Yes.
Or
right?
else.
And then as I got older and even having children myself, I realized that things have changed so drastically. And I think particularly because our children are more exposed to the internet and other cultures where some things that were not accepted when I was a child, I see parents laughing and giggling kiki at them. And I'm like, draw your brakes right there.
Yeah.
And we have decided to raise our children old school.
Yes.
If you want to call it that, because
The good school.
if you have
Manners, yes.
right? And just some simple things like please, thank you, and excuse me.
Yes.
I am shocked sometimes when I go out and I see even small children not even saying something as, please,
Yeah.
or
Or good
thank
morning.
you, or good. Listen, everybody named auntie up to this day.
Yes.
I have some people who I call them auntie my whole life and uncle. And up to this day, I don't know how the blood part go,
Yes.
but I know they're auntie and uncle
Yes.
because every big
Respect,
somebody is auntie and uncle. And so the inspiration for the book came from a place of just wanting to do my part to advance the welfare of the whole human race. Because as you said, there's nothing that is wrong with Jamaica that cannot be fixed with what is right with
Yes.
Jamaica
Yes.
and by extension the world. And so that is where Mannershill Valley came from. So it's a very fun and imaginative adventure for children to just understand the importance of being polite to everyone
Yes.
you meet.
I love it. Well, let's get Mr. Cuff in on it because you know what? Every queen have a strong king.
is right.
And you're absolutely amazing. And let me just congratulate you as well for supporting your wife and supporting your family because you're very much a part of the whole, system.
The movement.
Right, the
Yes,
movement,
yeah.
right? And you're like the Corinthian post.
All right.
Here, so big up to you, Mr. Cuff. Big up to the boss and the general. You understand? Boss here for boss. Done here for that, you know what I mean? Love it. How do you feel about the finished product?
Well, I mean, I was one of the editors in the book,
Yes.
and just seeing how it progressed and seeing them when they were seeing it for the first time and reading it
They
and
are
how
on
they're
the book.
enjoying it.
They're the cover girls.
Yes, girls.
There you go.
Yes.
Right? And I mean, as she said, there's so many things that we see happening that is wrong,
Yeah.
and we are trying to do our part. So I'm proud of her, the hours that she's put into it. Sometimes, babe, come to bed, but she had to be finishing it up, dealing with the illustrator and all that. So I'm proud of what she has put out, and so far the response has been amazing.
Wow, I was about to ask that. Where can we get this to buy? Because I know it's Christmas, and guys, this would make a wonderful Christmas present for some child, for a parent. You know what I mean? Hello, a parent to be. You know, hello. But stop. Yeah, but first they had to pack their lunch, right? Because you have to start.
But hold on, before you finish on the book, you have also, Basilia, taken a new step in your career journey. Talk to us about that as much as you can.
Well, you know, I was a broadcaster for over 10 years on radio, and then I transitioned into being a social media content creator, and now I'm officially an actor. Oh, wow. Yes, so I am working with an Oscar-nominated director, Cecilia Nixon Kelly, and we are slated to have a new TV series coming on very soon.
In Jamaica?
Yes.
Well done.
So we're excited about that, and it's a Jamaican sitcom. So you know that is exciting. So it's just doing our part to just occupy the earth and just walk in purpose and do all that we can while we can. So yes, I'm excited about that.
Lovely. Well, congratulations. So,
Thank you.
author and actress, mother, wife,
Content creator.
content creator, and just superwoman. Superwoman.
But you know it, though.
I was just about to say, you know how it goes.
Well,
You'll continue to know how it goes.
Viewers, Mr. Kofner easy, you know. Mr. Kofner easy. I'm working for the invoice.
There you go.
So where can we get this to buy, please?
So persons can get it to buy on Amazon. You can also get local delivery, here in Jamaica. You can just email me, basiliabcuff.author. Ooh, that's so nice. at gmail.com. And you can follow me on social media platforms at basiliabcuff and get in touch with me. And I'll get a book to you. And baby Wilkinson, hi!
See, Auntie brought something for you.
See, I make sure right name.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. It's never too early.
Oh my goodness.
Just
No,
start
man.
reading.
Hello.
For the baby,
I start already. You know me, I got this night without the pips. And one thing I'm going to do, I'm going to read. And one thing baby going to do is have manners.
That is it.
Yeah.
That is it.
And baby is a keen listener.
Yes.
SDGs.
You know what?
No.
The adventures in Mannershill. Basilia, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Congratulations on this wonderful achievement. Wishing you all the best. And thank you for bringing us so many laughs, You touch so many lives unknowingly, with your skits and what you do and the content you create. And we feel like you're part of the family. Bella, you feel good? Yeah, you proud of mommy? You happy for mommy?
This is Bella.
That's
Somebody
what
like
she-
Bree.
Oh, sorry.
Bree.
So that's
Bree,
why she look-
how do you feel? Are you happy about what mommy has done?
And how do you feel being on the cover?
Very, very, very excited.
Very exciting, lovely. All right, thank you, my baby. All the best, thank you. Adventures in Mannershill Valley. It's out now. Please go and get your copy. Basilia has done it, and so can you. I love this. Thank you, Mr. Koff. Thank you, my darling. Have a great day.
All right, guys, on the other side of the break, to save or invest? Now that's the question. Money Masterclass is up after the break.
May I start reading now?
Here, Bria. In and out. Just like that. How are you feeling?
Good. I'm happy you got to come on the couch with me. Oh, sorry, baby.
Bria, how are you feeling?
Everybody's like the whole family.
How are you feeling? It was a nice little family setting there.
was.
Ranella and Keisha did a good look.
They did.
You see the sun up now? Yeah.
Good.
When we came this morning, it was
It was dark.
dark.
It was as dark as night.
Look good, dumb friend. Let me see the feet. Let me see the feet. Come this way. To the left. To the left.
Well, I'm a skirt twist.
Pause and pause. Pause and pause with the book. Nice.
Yes, daddy on duty. You don't know.
We outside.
Outside. Yeah, girl. She just up me. I live in Brian, that you know. Could never be me. See me there? See me there? I'm talking about being wide awake. See me there? Right there.
Alright, the first TV interview is done and dusted. Mannershill Valley tour. Oi, oi. How you feel?
Good. I feel like
It's not bad.
no man, this one is terribly on.
We've been up. We went to bed about 2 o'clock and wake up 4 o'clock.
Yeah, so the last time I was on CBM, we were talking about Sterling.
Yes, the Gianna, who was in the makeup room, one of the roundtable hosts, she asked, she remembered you from
Oh, yeah, from that day. So coming back and talking about something completely different was just refreshing, and you know, when Biscuity was naming out all the things that I do, I'm like, wow, that is good. It was a great interview.
Yeah. So we're going back to Manchester.
The girls are going to school.
Right.
It's 7:37.
We're around here catching our Z's.
And Bella wasn't in anything with anybody.
Bella ain't up to being so Bella isn't used to being up so early, so Bella was just sitting looking around and said, like, okay, this is what is happening when I'm asleep.
Right?
I'm not having it. I'm gonna go back to sleep. Yeah. Alright. The route. Hey, you know, one of the things that I realize, people beg differently these days, you know. When I was younger, people just beg you for something. Now them have specific figures. Man beg me like a while ago. They get $250, please. No, so I'm specific. $250 for buy a box food. Ambitious. For him say beg you small, so anything me get put together and somebody else give me a little more and so and so and so. It is what it is. Dream big, no matter who you are.
If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.